welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be, or tonight rather, it's nighttime, are going to be in my kitchen today. I have a wonderful, healthy, but comfort food tasting dish for you guys today. It's a chicken and rice dish. I really don't have a name for it, but it's so good, and I shared it on Instagram last week, and a lot of you guys said you made it and that you loved it as well. So I thought I should make this recipe step by step for you guys here on YouTube, and yeah, that's basically it. So let's head into the kitchen. I'm gonna share with you all of the ingredients and make this recipe step by step. All right, guys, so I apologize first of all for the lighting because my lights in my kitchen actually all blew out, so I have to get that taken care of with maintenance. But anywho, here, so I'm not cooking in the dark for no reason, but got some candlelight over here. But anyway, here are the ingredients. You just need some brown rice, some cherry tomatoes, mushrooms. I prefer brown, but that's what they have, the white mushrooms, and sliced if you want to make it even quicker so you don't have to chop anything. Some spinach, the oven roasted diced chicken breast from Tyson, and some traditional hummus, but you will not need this until everything is made. If you want to add this, I'll tell you guys when to add this if you want to just have it already in the dish, but I like to add this day by day so it tastes really fresh and it's good. But this is going to make the dish really creamy and comforting and all that yummy good stuff. So that is all you need, and of course I will leave everything in the description box below. So first things first, we are gonna get the rice started. So just prepare your rice. I just do the whole box because I'm gonna make it all for the week. But just prepare the rice how it tells you on the back of the box. Here's my pot here. I'm gonna fill that up with water. You guys know the drill. Bring it to a boil, add your rice, let it simmer until it's cooked. And then over here, you want a larger pot on your stove. Add a little bit of cooking oil, whatever you use, olive oil, coconut oil, and you can tell mine's already on like medium heat. And we're going to cook the chicken first. So I'm gonna set the camera down, probably time lapse this. I use a bunch of seasonings. I will just leave all of those for you guys in the description box. I kind of go overboard with the seasoning. And yeah, so I'm gonna set the camera down so you guys can see what I'm doing. point, guys, with the rice and everything added, if you'd want to let this cool down and then add the hummus or add it right away, the hummus is going to give it that kind of cream of chicken type of effect. But I prefer to just store mine in mason jars, and then when I'm ready to eat, I have a little hummus on the side and I stir it in, and while it's fresh, and it's just so good. So whatever, it's really hot right now, so it's just, the hummus is really just gonna melt into the dish. But yes, this is it. It is so delicious. Okay guys, this is it, our little chicken and rice dish with spinach, cherry tomatoes, and mushrooms. A little plain traditional hummus on the side, which I'm just gonna take my fork here, about a tablespoon, dollop of that, and then stir it in, and it's just gonna taste creamy and a little cheesy without the dairy. So if you're dairy free, this is an awesome dish for you. And if you're vegan or vegetarian, of course, the mushrooms kind of give you that meaty flavor and kind of bulk up your meal so you're full and satisfied. So you don't have to add chicken to this if you don't want to, but I am going to take a nice yummy bite out of this. I cannot wait. Mouth is already watering. So good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please let me know in the comments if you try it, and tag me on Instagram, and let me know that you made it. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you all in the next video.